What's going on, guys? Just a quick video. I wanted to show how to actually replace this switch. This is the switch that opens up the tailgate. So there was I was always having an issue, and there was actually a TSB, which supposedly they replaced my switch on the TSB a couple of years ago, but my car is out of warranty now, so I figured, I was still having this issue, especially when it was cold. You would hit the switch and the thing wouldn't work. When it was warm out, it would be fine. When it's cold out, it wouldn't work. So it was actually, I looked online. It was actually a little bit of a pain trying to pull this off, but I ended up figuring it out. I tried prying it from the outside, and that's not the way to do it. You actually have to do it from the inside. There's you got to take the panels off, and there's these 3 screws right here. 1, 2, 3. And then you got another one on the end here, and the other one on the end here. So you got 5 nuts that you got to remove from the inside, and you can see the holes right there. You got 3 over there, 1 over there. This is for this clip. This one is for this clip, and that one's for the last screw. So basically, you guys got to remove it from the inside. You got to remove the panels. Let me show you. So you got to remove this panel first, this one, and then there's going to be a screw over here that you gotta unscrew. Yep, right here. You gotta pop that out. It's not actually a screw, it's just a clip. You gotta pop that out on both sides, right? And then you just take off the big panel, just rip it right off. It's held on with a bunch of clips, as you can see here. And then here we are. There's the 3 holes. You got 1, 2, 3. That one is the clip. That one's the other screw right there. And there's the other 2. So you just remove those 5 nuts. They're tiny little nuts right here. These tiny ones. Oh, we'll focus in right there. These tiny little nuts. Once you remove those, and then just close the hatch and just pull it towards you, so that way you can get those 2 clips disconnected, and the thing just pulls right out. I already replaced the switch. I already checked it, and it's working fine. This switch here obviously is no good. It did work, like I said, it did work when it was warm out, but when it was cold out, it did not want to work. I haven't seen any other videos online about this. I tried searching myself. Again, I end up, it's not rocket science. You can figure it out. I tried prying it from the outside, and I'm like, oh, it wasn't moving. So I knew I was going to break something, so I didn't want to break anything. So I figured I'll try it from the inside. And again, it was pretty obvious. Once I took the cover off, I noticed it right away. And just remove those 5. You pull it towards you, and you're golden. And that's also access to the camera. If you needed to get to the camera's right there too. Right there, that's the camera. Right there. And that's pretty much it, guys. Then you got the 2 screws right there to remove it. Actually came with the other green clip right there. Snap it in, and we're good. Thanks for watching. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers. If you guys can help me out, I would appreciate it. Thanks again. Catch you next time.